Hey geographers, this is Mrs. V and I wanted to walk you through Geography Challenge B so that you can get this taken care of today. So here are your questions, and if you've looked at my slides, you've seen that we're working with latitude and longitude today. So yesterday we talked a little bit about the equator, and we talked about the prime meridian and how that breaks the globe into different hemispheres. So today you're going to use those latitude and longitude lines to find different things on the map. So I'm going to do the very first question for you, and then I want to just kind of show you how we use these latitude and longitude lines. So number one says write the name of the parallel at 0 latitude. So remember, latitude runs east to west. So if I look for 0 latitude, it's this line right here. I'm going to highlight it so we can make sure we see where 0 is. And this is the equator. We looked at this one yesterday. So 0 degrees latitude is the equator. And I'm going to mark it right over here. We're going to answer these questions the same way we did yesterday. This is question number 1. So I'm writing a 1 in a circle, and then I'm writing the name E-Q-U-A-T-O-R, equator. Okay? Now, I'm going to go down to number 3 right now. And it says, label the ocean where 15 degrees south and 90 degrees east is located. So the way that I find 15 degrees south is I know north and south is latitude, and those are over on the side. So I'm going to look for 15 degrees south. I have to find where that and 90 degrees east meet. So I've got to look at the rest of my map. And I see west is over here because this is the western hemisphere. East is on this side. So I'm going to stay at 15 degrees south, and I'm going to find 90 degrees east. And I'm going to travel down this one and across this one until they meet. And they meet right here in this ocean, right above the N. And so then I would write down the answer to number 3 right here where they meet. And this is one of the oceans. I'm not going to tell you which one it is, but you're going to write the name of the ocean right here in this space, because this is the name of that ocean. So when we're looking for a specific place, we always move where our latitude and our longitude combine. So let's say, I'm just going to put a point on the map and we'll look at it. So let's put a point right here in California, or pretty close to California. Put it right here. Okay? So if I'm looking at this point right here, this is not one of your questions, but I would say that this point is halfway between 30 and 45, so like 37 north latitude, and it's on 120 west latitude. So that would be where that point is located. So you're going to go either north or south along the side, either side, and east or west along the top and bottom. Okay, so that's how we use latitude and longitude. It's just like an X and Y axis if you have used one of those in math. So you're looking for whatever point it is, north or south, and then whatever point you're looking for, east or west. Remember, everything above the equator is the northern hemisphere. Everything below the equator is the southern hemisphere. Everything to the east side, here's the east, is east of the prime meridian is the eastern hemisphere. Everything to the west side of the prime meridian, so you see the west right here, so this direction is the western hemisphere. If you have any questions about latitude and longitude, make sure you let me know. Good luck with your geography challenge.